Hello and good afternoon. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Rode NT-1 Complete Recording Kit. Now, I don't typically dress up in a suit to do reviews, but I just got home from Easter Sunday church service, and I'm going to a dinner with my relatives after this, so I didn't really see any reason to change. So anyhow, the Rode NT-1. I'm not sure what the going price is for this kit. I got it for $299 at B&H Photography out of New York. I bought it online. And got a bunch of other stuff with it, including a microphone stand and XLR cable and stuff like that. But anyhow, my review is just of the NT-1 kit and not the stuff that B&H threw in extra. So I'll probably do a review of that stuff later. But this kit comes with, of course, the NT-1, and then it comes with the SMR shock mount, which is it also has a removable pop shield. Now, first thing I'm going to say, if you are looking for a microphone to use for a studio setting, like you're going to do a podcast, which is what I bought it for. Actually, my podcast is called Recovering Faith, and so I exclusively use this microphone for it. But if you're going to use it for a podcast or voiceovers or anything like that, this is a phenomenal microphone. If you are looking for a microphone to use outside on location, I would absolutely, positively, 100% discourage you from that. This is not that kind of mic. For that, you'd want a shotgun mic or something. But for recording instruments, for recording singing, anything studio-like, voiceovers, recording yourself playing, recording yourself singing, voiceovers, podcasting, anything like that, this is a phenomenal microphone. And then, let's see if I can get it a little closer here. So it comes with also this dust cover. I keep the dust cover over it at all times when I'm not using it because I don't want it to build up dust. But this shock mount is phenomenal. While recording, I have accidentally kicked the mic stand, and it did not. I didn't hear it in the recording. It's got this removable pop shield, but I just leave the pop shield on it at all times because just keep it in here at all the times, and that's really all I ever use it for is my podcast. Now, in just a minute here, I will get on to doing a sound recording with this microphone itself, so you can see how it sounds. But if you want to hear more examples of what this mic sounds like, you can go to my podcast. It's called Recovering Faith. You can find it. I usually have a few days after the podcast comes out, I put it also on here on YouTube. But it's also available by going to my site genecurl.com, and you can also find my podcast Recovering Faith on iTunes and Google Play and Stitcher and a few others. So with that said, I'm going to get this set up, and I'm going to do an example of what it sounds like. Okay, so since I'm doing a voiceover, or not a voiceover, but since I'm giving you an example, here of what it sounds like, and so I had to grab something to read so I don't just have to make up something here. And since it's Easter Sunday, I am going to go ahead and read about the resurrection of Christ. When the Sabbath was over, Mary Magdalene, Mary, the mother of James, and Salome bought spices so that they might go anoint Jesus' body. Very early in the first day of the week, just after sunrise, they were on their way to the tomb, and they asked each other, Who will roll the stone away from the entrance of the tomb?" But when they looked up, they saw that the stone, which was very large, had been rolled away. As they entered the tomb, they saw a young man dressed in white robes sitting on the right side, and they were alarmed. "Don't be alarmed," he said. "You are looking for Jesus of Nazarene, who was crucified. He has risen. He is not here. See the place where they laid him. But go tell his disciples and Peter, he is going ahead of you into Galilee. There you will see him, just as he told you." Trembling and bewildered, the women went out and fled from the tomb. They said nothing to anyone because they were afraid. In conclusion, I would have to say that the Rode microphone NT-1 is a phenomenal microphone. It's absolutely great for studio settings, and that I can't think of a single bad thing to say about the microphone or the company. The microphone has a 10-year warranty, and I've been extremely pleased with it. If you found this helpful, or if you enjoyed it, click like, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out my podcast. It's called Recovering Faith. You can find it at genecurl.com or on iTunes or on Google Play or Stitcher or any of the major ones like that. Also, I will put a link below, and I will also put a link below to B&H for this microphone. You can probably also find it on Amazon. And one final thing, I'm not being paid by B&H or by Rode. I just think this is a great microphone, and I just suggest B&H because they have really good customer service. I've been buying computer and audio and video stuff from them for years, and I've never had a bad experience. And so, yeah, that's why I recommend them. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.